Put your hands behind your back.
Stop me.
On January 4th, 2025, just before midnight, Flagler County, Florida deputies attempted to make contact with a man in the W section of Palm Coast. The individual fled on a bicycle, leading to a short pursuit. During the chase, the suspect pulled a handgun from his waistband, creating an immediate threat to the deputy. In response, the deputy used his patrol vehicle to stop the suspect, knocking him off the bicycle and disarming him.
Stop right there. Charlie 214, Flagler 1050. Whiskey Mike on a bike. Stop right there! He's fleeing.
Seriously! What the dude? Seriously! Fuck, what the man? I didn't do nothing. Why'd you do that? What the
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop me! Huh? I didn't do anything.
Hands behind your back.
Get on! You hit me with the car, bro.
What'd you throw right there?
I didn't throw anything. The dude. Huh? 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 I need to get my leg, bro.
Sit still.
I can't.
What'd you throw?
I didn't throw anything.
You didn't throw something right there?
No, man.
Yeah, you did.
I mean, why the you
Get up.
stop anyways?
Get up.
No, I just stopped me.
I
didn't do
stopped you
nothing.
because you were laying on the ground.
I
over
wasn't
there.
laying on the ground,
Okay,
bro.
get up.
I literally picked my backpack up. Like, what the dude?
Spread your feet.
Man, seriously, bro.
Where are you coming from?
I'm going to my house, bro.
Where are you coming from?
I was at a friend's house, man.
Where's that?
Down in the W section.
Wood Hollow?
Maybe. They were all freaking out over there, bro. I didn't do nothing wrong, though. I was laying on the ground.
Okay.
Hit me with a car, man.
I asked you to stop.
I know, but I don't have to stop.
Listen,
I didn't commit a crime.
Where'd the handgun
What
go?
handgun? I ain't have no handgun. It's fucking crazy,
Keep your
bro.
legs still.
I can't. It hurts.
Do you need medical attention?
Yes. The dude?
You have anything else on you?
I don't think so. I mean, I have my fucking my razor knife, but it's just a razor knife.
Where's that?
I think it's still in my pocket right there. I don't know.
Why can you not sit still?
Why?
Yeah.
Because he just ran my foot over, dude.
So why does that make your whole body twitch?
Are you serious, dude?
It's a question. You took something out of your pocket and threw it.
Oh, I didn't,
What did
man.
it look like? I couldn't
Fuck,
exactly see
dude.
it. You threw it right here. When you get in the car, what is this white stuff coming out of your pocket?
I don't know, dude.
Tell us now.
I don't know.
Tell us now before we get infected with it. What is it?
I don't know, man. It's probably fucking dirt, dude.
It's not dirt. It's white. It's white. It's white powdery
There's
stuff.
no bag. It's probably dirt, bro. In my pocket, bro. Ow. I mean, can I sit up now? Like,
Stand up. Where's that razor knife?
I mean, I thought it was right there, man. I thought it was. I don't know if it is anymore. It's just a fucking Milwaukee, bro. Look, man, I gotta take the pressure off, man. Can I sit down?
Sit down. Right
Can I
here.
sit down, please? Hey, why you hit me with the car, bro?
Why'd you run from me?
Why? Because I don't
You threw something right here.
No, I didn't,
I asked you to
man.
stop. My lights and sirens were on.
No, you
I
didn't
asked
have
you to
no
stop
sirens on,
I asked
man.
you to stop multiple times.
Ow.
Why are you wiggling around? Sit up.
I'm scared to move it, man.
What'd you throw over here? It's only gonna make it easier.
I didn't throw anything,
We're gonna call a
man.
dog. They're gonna find it.
I didn't throw nothing.
Yeah, you
man.
did.
No, I didn't, man.
All right. I guess my camera won't see it.
Ah. Yeah. Ow. Ow.
It was right. It was like right there.
Ah.
Like right there.
I told you I didn't throw nothing, bro.
Right there somewhere. Looked like it was in his hand. A zero?
Ow.
You didn't throw the gun?
No.
Okay. We're gonna make this easier. Yeah, I am.
I mean, you want to check my fucking backpack?
I don't need to check your backpack right now. I saw it in your hand. Get up. I'm gonna search one more time for you.
You guys know my fucking foot, bro. I can't.
We'll get medic out here for you.
Come on, bro. Why you guys doing this to me, man?
Well, you had a gun that you just
You
tossed.
don't have any
I saw
gun,
it in your
man.
f***ing hand. I saw you throw it. Why do you think I hit you with the car?
What the fuck are you talking about, dude?
You had a gun in your f***ing hand.
You said I fucking was laying on
Okay.
the ground, bro.
All
Like,
right.
seriously?
Yep.
You good with your search?
Yeah.
Hey, come on, man. You said I was laying on the fucking ground on the bike path and I wasn't.
Okay.
Literally fucking.
Okay.
That's bullshit, man. You guys fucking lying to me.
Okay.
We pulled a holster out of your pocket, empty, and I found a gun not too far from you.
You didn't find no gun, dude. You didn't have any gun.
Why are you tweaking so bad?
I'm not. Can I turn my foot, bro? Like, I'm not tweaking at all. You fucking ran me over the car.
Thought that's what happened. I wasn't 100% sure.
Yeah, just grab a picture of that in there, and then from where he was.
He turned and he literally, like, I was coming here and it comes out of his hand and he looks at me. I was like, car, bam! And that's right when he threw it.
Yeah, you're good. And just try to get a scenic shot of everything over here,
Yeah.
where he's at. No magazine.
It has a magazine in it?
There's no sitting up in the tree like that. Besides it not being locked back, there's no magazine in it. And it's covered in dirt in here. So we'll look, but
Let me get some rubber gloves on. Can you call the medic for him?
nah, I didn't. Yeah, he'll need to be checked out though. He's tweaking.
You have a gun in your.
The suspect was transported to the county jail and now faces multiple felony charges, including aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, fleeing and eluding, resisting with violence, and possession of a firearm by a convicted felon. No deputies were seriously injured during the incident. This footage is shared for educational and documentary purposes, and all individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. If you appreciate real, unfiltered law enforcement encounters, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more body cam breakdowns.